Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick AA2 and jetback pinsetters. Today, though, we won't be needing any sort of certification. A couple people have requested this video, and basically all I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how that I install. Well, it's Cork gasket material, technically speaking, but I'm going to show you how I install it on my machines. And we found out that the Cork is well, it kind of holds up a little bit better than anything else that you can buy, and it also it's cheaper. So okay, so get your okay, do that one and then eventually do that. So we use contact cement. All you're doing is scraping off the ball wheel, just getting the old material off. Depending on how bad it is depending on whether I completely get it bare, but I found out that you don't really have to, because this contact cement is insanely strong. Okay, so you put some on the cork, and then you'll come and you'll put some on the ball wheel. We normally only do 2 pieces. Sometimes you'll have ones that that require 3. And we always put it closer to the inside, just because that's normally where the ball tracks. Okay. So when you're putting it on, or at least how we do it, is we put it to where the edge of the cork is just before where it starts rounding onto the ball wheel. All right, simple as that. Then you let it sit for 15-30 minutes and turn it loose. Super simple. All right, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.